Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just got through making a video on this, and before I deleted it, I thought that might look pretty good for a pattern. It does and it doesn't. I like it. It doesn't have, I could put solid walls on all four sides, but it's kind of got this middle deal where they're interbeing. And so I just thought I'd show everybody how to do it. We got this pattern, and I needed a square to trim off these excess items. You know, I could have done it with a pattern, like this. And that's pretty cool. But I thought I'd do this. You know what? I might keep that and I might play with that later. So I need to know how big I need to make my rectangle to do this. So I'm going to zoom in and get my parallel dimension tool. And I'm going to go from that node to that node, and we're at 1234. I'm just going to double check, and we're at 1234. So if I make a rectangle that is 1234, I can hit P, put it in the center of the page, and I can select both these, and I can go intersect, and then I have just a square. And you can see that I could make that all work, but I'm going to take away that. Well, I don't think I can take away that outline yet, because I'm going to take away the whole thing. But now we're going to reduce this to 3 inches. There's that video I just made on it, my icon. So I've reduced it to 3 inches, or I'm going to, but I need to know what my nudge factor is going to be, because I don't want to have a double line here. So I'm going to get the parallel dimension tool, and I'm going to go from the inside, trying to stay on a straight edge, and go to the outside, and I'm at 1292. Now, a lot of times you have to change a nudge a little bit over so the lines won't clash, but this time you don't. So I'm just going to hit the plus key and look at that. Now it's got that middle part, but what I'm going to do to fix that, I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, I'm going to fill that in and move this out of the way. And one thing I did, I got rid of that line down here. And now I've already measured. I'm going to go ahead and make it, I'll make it red. Hit the plus key and look at that. I'm not going to have to weld this, because it might even cause problems welding. And I could make it yellow just as easily and put a black box around it. And that's what you're going to get. Not necessarily that cool, but you might learn a little bit about how to cut off those edges with got to grab both of them with the intersect tool. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.